Hello, this is Wesley Fryer, and in this screencast I'm going to show you how to use the website Compfight to find copyright-friendly images for which permission has already been granted to use and republish those images on the internet in a Pachaka presentation, which is a 20 by 20 slides for 20 seconds presentation that lasts 6 minutes and 40 seconds. And this is the page for our Pachaka assignment in the fall of 2010 at the University of North Texas. And if you scroll down on this page, you'll find the definition of the Pachaka, information about why we should create Pachakas, and then the steps for the assignment. And so I'm going to go through the first steps of selecting images. The first thing you want to do is plan your presentation, and I'm going to share a presentation on the reasons why all learners need laptops now. And I actually brainstormed some of these and then shared this with folks in my learning network, so I'll do shout outs to all of these folks, and I'll want to include them in my works cited bibliography at the end to give them credit, but this is the first step really before I even get pictures, is to plan what I'm going to get. So the first reason I'm going to talk about is that textbooks are expensive. So what I'm going to do is go to the website Compfight. Now here on our website for our assignment, when you scroll down to copyright friendly images, you'll see a link that'll take you right to Compfight. But you can also just load it by going to Compfight, COMPFIGHT.com, and one of the most important things is to remember at the top to click to say Creative Commons only, and then you're just going to search for Creative Commons images. I'm going to just put the search word textbooks in here because that's what I would like to search for first, and of course there's no telling what we're going to get as far as images. So it looks like these are some law textbooks. I'm not going to choose that one. That one looks okay. It's physics and calculus. So there is a handout that will take you step by step through this process, and again on our web page here at the bottom it says a one-page PDF handout, and this is the handout I'll distribute in class that takes you through these steps. Flickr is the website that is indexed by Compfight, and you're going to want to save a high-resolution version of this picture, and underneath the Actions menu there's a choice to view all sizes, and you're going to want to see the different sizes that are available. In this case, this picture is only available at a maximum of 640 by 480 pixels of resolution, so we'll get that. But if it was available larger, we might get it up to maybe 1024. What I want to make sure you don't do is get a real small version like this, because it is going to pixelate and it's not going to be as clear to see. So once you see the image that you want and you view the size, you are ready to save it. You're going to right click, or on a Mac hold down the Control key if you don't have a 2-button mouse, and you're going to choose to save the image. I'm using the Firefox web browser, so I'm seeing this Save Image As, but this will be similar if you're using Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. You're next going to need to decide where you're going to save your image, and I have actually created a folder inside my Documents folder called Pachaka, and I would recommend that you create a new folder inside here that you call Images, and you put all your images inside. You'll see that the file name is rather cryptic, and so you'll want to put a word here that tells you what that image is called, and now that you have saved that image into your folder. The last thing to remember to do, and this is very important, is you're going to want to save the address where you got this image. So I'm going to, at the top here of my website, I'm going to select the address, and I'm going to copy that address, and then I'm going to go to the document, and I've in this case created a Word file to just be my works cited, and I'm going to go ahead and paste my text that I have copied in here, and I should be able to do that by right-clicking and choosing Paste, and that way I've got a record of where that image came from. If you want to write a little note to yourself about what that image was, you can do that, but that's not required. So that covers the basics of how you can use the website Compfight to do your image searches and put all of your images together in the same place for your Pachaka assignment.